This is the first video in a playlist of short videos that show a practical approach to document generation. It's about making document generation more efficient, at the same time with less risk. The key to this more efficient, less risk approach is add-on software called MacroView ClauseBank. You're in Microsoft Word preparing a proposal document. You're under time pressure, as always, so to speed things up, you copy some graphics and some text content from a previous proposal document. There may be management-approved descriptions of the products and services that you are proposing, but you don't know where they're stored, so you key those details in yourself. Are you confident that you're using the most up-to-date pricing and performance statistics? Have you included the appropriate legal disclaimers? What about the formatting of that content that you copied from the previous proposal? Does it comply with the new corporate style and branding standards? Is that the new logo that you're now meant to be using? Of course, similar issues can arise when you're preparing an email in Outlook or a presentation in PowerPoint. Imagine for a moment that all other users are encountering the same issues as they prepare their documents and emails. Everyone's doing their best, but there's a real lack of standardization and quite possibly some failures in compliance with regulatory requirements. Looking across the organization, there's certainly a lack of efficiency and quite possibly non-timely operation when it comes to document generation. If this is the case in your organization, then you should take a look at MacroView ClauseBank. ClauseBank is a simple to implement and yet highly effective way to improve the efficiency of document preparation, while at the same time reducing the risk of missing, out-of-date, or badly formatted content. ClauseBank is about making it easy to find and reuse standard approved text and graphic content that is stored centrally by the organization. That content can be retrieved into Word documents, Outlook emails, or PowerPoint presentations. ClauseBank makes it easy for a user to find and reuse their choice of content as they are preparing a document. In addition to this ad hoc usage, ClauseBank can also be used automatically as part of generating a document using a template. Indeed, ClauseBank provides a lot of the advantages of templates, but with much less development and maintenance effort. Let's take a look at a template-based scenario. MacroView ClauseBank automatically retrieves the graphic and text content which is essential as part of this document. But ClauseBank also recognizes that in today's fast-moving world, business users need the flexibility to include their choice of content so that not everything has to be built into the template. This is how ClauseBank can enable a significant reduction in the number of templates that an organization needs to create and maintain. In both the template-based and ad hoc usage scenarios, the content that is retrieved and included is up to date, the version that has been published most recently in the central ClauseBank. As it retrieves and inserts content, ClauseBank maintains formatting and styles, right down to the character style level. It also displays formatted previews of content items, and you can copy and paste from those previews. This is how ClauseBank promotes compliance with corporate style standards. ClauseBank is popular with business users because it makes them more productive in the applications that they use every day, such as Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint, and also because it facilitates the sharing of newly authored content with other users. Let's take a look. The business user working in Word selects some content and then uses ClauseBank to automatically upload it to the central storage area. Once it's been approved, it will then be available to all other users of the ClauseBank. ClauseBank is also popular with IT departments because it utilizes the existing SharePoint platform. That can be on-premises SharePoint server or the SharePoint Online that is part of the organization's Office 365 subscription. Content loaded to SharePoint Online is in the Microsoft Cloud, and so is securely accessible from anywhere, if necessary by users outside the organization. In another video in this playlist, we'll see how you can quickly set up a new ClauseBank in SharePoint Online. We'll also show how ClauseBank can streamline the preparation of proposals and email correspondence. We'll even see how ClauseBank can be used efficiently over slow internet connections. For more information about how ClauseBank can improve the efficiency and reduce the risk of your document generation, contact MacroView using these details.